morning, guys, and Merry Christmas to all of you. I hope you're having a good time together with your loved ones, your family. Yeah, yeah, Merry Christmas. I really miss the Christmas in the Philippines. Yeah, I miss everything about Christmas in the Philippines. Yeah, I've been abroad since 2008. From the time, I have never experienced the Christmas in the Philippines. I somehow experienced the Christmas together with the Filipino. It's also happy, but it is different if you are in the Philippines, because if you are in the Philippines, I am sure that everyone is celebrating the Christmas. Everyone, I said everyone, because most of the people in the Philippines are Catholic, so we really celebrate Christmas. Christmas is the happiest month of the year. I would say it's happier than the birthday. Yeah, because you see everyone who are happy, especially for the children. Christmas is really happy event in the Philippines. When I was young, during Christmas Day in the Philippines, we go to the house one by one until we get tired. And in some houses, they are giving us money, and some houses they ask us to get inside to eat. But it's Christmas. Most of the houses have food in their house, so we get full easily. Because also, during December, the company, they are giving 13-month pay or bonuses to their employee. Yeah, so most people have a lot of money during Christmas. The most celebrated month of the year and the most happy celebration. Yeah, Merry Christmas to all of you. And today we are going out. My duty today will start at 2 o'clock and it's still early. Yeah, we are going outside to buy something. Yeah, it looks busy today. A lot of people, a lot of cars. Yeah, nice. I'm actually looking for something that I can give to my landlord, a gift. And look at this, how beautiful it is during high tide. You can see the water, it's really clear. Yet I need you. Look at that, it's a little bit traffic this time going that way. And that's the first time that I've seen this place traffic. Not very heavy. I am sure that the big percentage of these people are tourists. Yeah, the same like the Philippines, it's school holidays these days in Australia. Part of the celebration of Christmas. If you are in the Middle Eastern country, in the Muslim country, this is just an ordinary day. We are now back home and I'm now preparing my meal. This is basically the instant noodles. This one, yeah, it's a mee goreng, but I boiled it together with some mixed vegetable, so it looks good at the moment. Yeah, I just need to mix this seasoning. This is the gift that I'm going to give to my landlord. Yeah, you don't need to see it because they are the first to see it. Yeah, they deserve to see it first. Whoa, there is light. Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas. Yeah, I'm still awake. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning and it's December 25 and it's Christmas Day. Yeah, I am having this light because GoPro Hero 7, any GoPro camera is not really good in low lights. That is why I have that to give some light. A few days ago I went to Sydney, and because I'm always finding a reason to get to Sydney or to other places, and a few days ago I did an IELTS practice test in Sydney, and yeah, for me to check how is my English. I think there is no improvement, mate. Well, basically I went to Sydney, I did my vlogging as usual, in the street, in the train, and then when I get to Sydney, I walk around the city and yeah, vlogging. Yeah, I'm also using my Canon M50 because there are some nice spots in Sydney these days, especially the Christmas decoration. Yeah, they have a very beautiful Christmas decoration, especially in the night. And the George Street is still in construction of the tram, so yeah, not really a good view, but the rest are beautiful. I actually tried to experiment with the setting of this camera, this GoPro Hero 7. Like what I've said, it's not really good in the low light. The Canon M50 is good in low light in the night. Yeah, that's why I also use that. The problem is when I get home and I try to transfer my, all the files to my computer for editing. Yeah, during the time that I was transferring, I noticed that my computer is running out of battery. Yeah, so I decided to delete some of the files, the old files. And yeah, when I was about to edit the video, I realized that the files that are coming from this camera that I transferred to this computer was also deleted, and there is no way that I can recover those files. What can I do? Yes, so what I have now are just this video that are taken by my Canon M50, and yeah, this is basically what you are going to see now, and I hope you enjoy it, and Merry Christmas to all of you, and thank you for watching. Ciao.